It's Dr. Cersei with your video summary for the day. We started talking about Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene. We looked at Book 1, Cantos 1 and 2. And our quotation came from early in Canto 1, where the Red Cross Knight, the Knight of Holiness, who is the hero of Book 1, encounters the monster Error, a half-serpent, half-woman creature. And our quotation was, God help the man so wrapped in error's endless train. Now, we talked about the fact today that Spenser's Faerie Queene is an allegory, which is a story that systematically refers to non-fictional ideas outside of itself. So when Red Cross Knight, a Knight of Holiness, encounters error in the Wandering Wood, we're meant to draw conclusions about error, E-R-R-O-R, the concept of sin or wrongdoing, from this frightful monster who bears that same name. What's interesting about the way holiness works in Spenser's world is that a character will often encounter, Red Cross Knight will often encounter, an outward manifestation of his own inward mistakes. So Red Cross Knight makes the mistake of going into the Wandering Wood. He immediately encounters error. He leaves Una in the castle of Archimago. He immediately meets a knight named Sansfoyer without faith. And so the endless train or tale of error that wraps around him early in Canto 1 is something that's not easily left behind, and we're going to be investigating that train for the rest of our discussion of the Faerie Queene. On Wednesday, your first paper's due, and we'll talk about Cantos 3 and 4. See you then.